In this video, I'm going to tell you about a website which is like Photoshop. If you don't want to use Photoshop and Photoshop is hanging your PC, lacking your PC, so you can use this website without installing Photoshop, and here you will get all the same options which Photoshop have. You can use it easily. The name of website is Photopea. You have to write here Photopea and you have to press enter. Here you are going to see the name of Photoshop website, Photopea online photo editor. You have to click here. This is almost similar to Photoshop. You will get the tools and all options related to Photoshop. As you can see here are the options. If open from computer, new project, template. We are going to, for example, click on new project. You have to create here. After clicking on create, you can see here you will get the layers, and here you will get this is the same look as Photoshop have. You can see the tools here, you can see the file here, and you see all the options related to Photoshop. This is almost 90% looks like Photoshop. So if you want to use this website, you can use it easily in your mobile phone, in your Photoshop, in your PC, on which device you want to use. So the main function of this website is you can use it easily without heavy system. So see you in the next video.